Rapid urban growth is becoming an acute challenge across the world. Cities are gaining average of 5 million residents every month. Among all the challenges, water is becoming prime challenge for the city planners and administrators. Bengaluru is no exception. On top of it, Bengaluru is facing few more challenges like falling water ground levels, filth froth lakes bursting into the flames in the city. This situation demands a comprehensive study and planning to address an upcoming danger water crisis in Bengaluru. Bengaluru is facing unreliable, inadequate, and polluted supply of fresh water. It requires a better water supply mechanism and risk mitigating policy decision systems. As part of our solution, we did an extensive study on the four reservoirs data connected to Bengaluru. We simulated the data using hydrological modeling, studied the flow levels into the reservoirs with respect to various parameters like land use, climate change, etc. Finally, we arrived at spatially aggregated data from remotely sensed data products and derived predictive model and developed a real-time dashboard. As part of hydrological model, we studied land use dynamics in Bengaluru and water usage patterns. We looked at KRS reservoir data from various dimensions like location, catchment, yield, storage, and water spread. We did an extensive study on outflow data releases to irrigation and drinking water supply to the KRS dam. We understood that outflow trend being flat over a period of time with seasonal spikes. We made an extensive study on the inflow dynamics as well and conducted correlation between KRS versus outflow of other dams like Harangi, Hemavati and found that there is a higher correlation. We also noticed that weather is playing a major role and observed that inflow is more when temperature is lower and vice versa. Overall, a positive correlation established between storage to wind, humidity and cloud. We also compared 21 days cumulative KRS data to 21 days cumulative weather data. Finally, we developed a predictive model using a systematic process using three data sources. Our modeling strategy includes baselining the model for a single day forecast using time series analysis and perform our model to LSTM based architecture for 30 days forecast. The feature set includes present storage, inflow, outflow, temperature, visibility, and wind. We cleansed data and train, validation, and test data sets and also calculated model performance. We experimented with different latent dimensions, horizons, batch sizes, and optimizers. We also made an attempt to develop a prediction dashboard using Streamlit packages and SQLite database and deployed it in AWS. We used extensive tech stack like Python, Pandas, NumPy visualization libraries, deep learning models based on LSTM time series analysis, and custom web application using Streamlit library. Here is the demo of the dashboard that we have created. On behalf of Argyam, we thank Skillanza Wave to Web Hack organizers for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.